Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to find ads you have seen on YouTube. So let's get started. So if you want to play your ads that you have already seen on YouTube, so to do that what you can do is just simply open up your YouTube and then just play a ad. So for example, I would like to play this following ad. So what you can do is just tap on watch, and now what you can do is just simply complete this ad. And after watching this ad, now if you want to find that ad, then what you can do is just simply tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and then tap on the gear icon which is on the top right, then tap on manage all history. And after tapping on manage all history, now what you can do is just scroll down, and here you can see guys the ad that you have just watched. So this is the ad that I have just played, and this is how you can find your ad. So now if you just tap on play, and after tapping on play, your ad starts playing. So not only this ad, you can just watch the ad that you have just watched from a video. So for example, if you play a video and an ad pops up, you can also watch that ad. So what you can do is just simply open up a video that has an ad. So for example, I'll play this ad from a video. So after finishing this ad, what will happen is now you have finished this ad, and now to find this ad, you just have to do the same process. Just open up your profile, just tap on your profile and tap on the gear icon which is on the top right, and tap on manage all history. After tapping on manage all history, you should find your ad. So just tap on it, and this is the ad that you have just recently watched. So this is how to find ads that you have. So that's it guys, this is how to find ads you have seen on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.